everyone, it's the weekend and we are going to make some fancy popcorn, and we're going to make a recipe from Scarlett Johansson. It's called the Salted Caramel Chocolate Hazelnut Popcorn, and it sounds so good. So we're going to try that for our movie night tonight. Let's get started.
So the first thing we need to do is to make our chocolate caramel hazelnut sauce. Let us show you how to quickly do that. Okay, so first we're going to turn our pan on medium to high. Add in 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, light brown sugar, light corn syrup, kosher salt, vanilla extract, baking soda, and then we're just going to let all of that melt together for the next 8 minutes. Wow, this is getting really dark and I'm only 3 minutes in. I don't know if I can last the whole 8 minutes. I hope I'm doing it right. Gina, how does yours look?
Fluffy and almost like when marshmallow melts. Kind of like that. Scarlett Johansson says 8-10 minutes. I think it's at least 5. What time did we start the clock?
Mine looks like brownie batter. I'm gonna start over.
Alright, well, as Kat is starting over, I'll take it from here. So once you get to the point where you think it's caramely enough, you remove it from the heat, and then you're gonna add your chocolate hazelnut. Kat, actually, I don't think I've ever had Nutella before. Yeah, it's good. Alright, mine's a bit chunky, so I'm not sure how well this is gonna spread in my popcorn. My Nutella is separating, like it's watery now. Okay, I'm turning off the heat, so I think I might have burnt it, and that's why it's like coagulating. Popcorn emergency. Kat, I'm going in, I'm pouring it in. Oh no, I am not feeling very good about this. Oh my gosh.
Okay, the second batch is looking way better. I think the key, guys, is to put your heat down super low. That medium-high heat is a no.
Do you remember what her picture looked like? Yeah, it looks like when you buy caramel popcorn at the store, like in the bag. That's what it looks like, but just more brown, but it's evenly distributed. Ew, mine puddled. I was pouring mine out on the parchment. All this liquid, brown liquid dripped out of it. All right, well, no matter how this turns out, I'm still a fan of Scarlett Johansson. I'm still a fan.
Wait, do you know why we're making her popcorn? She said it was her lifelong dream that she always wanted to open up a popcorn shop in her favorite city, which is Paris. She opened up a popcorn store called Yummy Pop. Isn't that cute? Let's pop this in the oven, 250 for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven. Once it comes out, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna do our taste test.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up, cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down.
Let's try it.
Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by.
My brown chocolate chunks are a bit chewy, like something's wrong kind of chewy, but it does taste good. And the popcorn itself, I feel like it's crunchy, like it's not stale or soggy or anything. I feel like it's normal.
Actually tastes like brownies, you know, when you overcook it on the edge. Kind of like, you know,
Yes.
what do they have, like those brownie, cookie, whatever. It's literally what it tastes like on top of the popcorn. I really like it.
These caramel liquid pieces are good. That's good.
You've just discovered something. Caramel juice
I'm happy.
on popcorn is delicious. Well, there you go. Gina and I both give it a thumbs up. Give it a try. Make sure you watch your temperature. Thanks for joining us. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.